What's the deal, ladies and gents? Forget all the intro crap. Let's get into it. We're going to talk about Young Thug and Gunna's Hot, arguably the best song of the year. I'm going to break down the hook and I'm going to go through their verses. So without any further ado, number one, Gunna's hook. Gunna's hook, plain and simple, starts off on the one. The most important thing about this song, I say, or 70% most important thing about this song is the beat. The beat has a kick in it and an 808 in it that drives it. It's the boom, boom. So when Gunna was in the studio, he heard this fire ass beat, and I guarantee you, when he started scatting or thinking, he just started on that one because that's what inspired him. As soon as that bitch came on, he knew he could start off on that. So I'll get into how he actually went about it, and I'll talk a little bit about his rhyme schemes also. Pay attention to the boom. I'm gonna put my hands like this. That's every time that one comes around. Boom. That's where Gunna's gonna start off his hook. Boom. Everything litty, I love when it's hot. Turned up the city, I broke off a notch. Got some more millies, I keep me in knot. I created history, it made me a lot. He tried to diss me and ended on Fox. Okay, so you notice how, boom, every time it hit, that's when he would start off a line, you know what I'm saying? And another thing about his verse is, about his hook is, you hear that, na 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 na. He's rapping in double time because he's breaking up fragments in each line to kind of make it seem like it's two lines in each fucking line. And if you watch my Lil Baby video, I kind of understand about the A-B technique, how they say one thing and then another thing. But another thing about it, and the reason that it has the kind of seesaw effect with is because Gunna is using internal rhymes. One part of the line has one rhyme, and the end of the line has another rhyme, and he just repeats that process throughout the whole hook. That's why you'll get everything litty, turned up the city, got some more millies, created history, he tried to diss me, you know what I'm saying? But those lines end on love when it's hot, broke up the notch, keep me a knot. So basically what he did was he said, okay, I'm gonna do this double time flow. I'm gonna start off on the one, and I'm also gonna use different rhymes for each part. So that's why you get the litty, na 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 I, na 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 idiot, na na I, na na idiot, na na I. And you can try that in your songs too, man. Just play with it. Number two, Gunna's verse. So when Gunna was listening to the beat, and then he made his hook, and then he's like, okay, I'm starting off my hook on the one. Let me start off my verse on the two to kind of switch it up to add variation. And another thing to notice about it is it's kind of deceptive because it might seem like he's starting off on the one because he starts off with Cartier I, but that's just a secondary hook him and Thug use in the song to go into their flows, because Young Thug also uses the Cartier thing to go from single time to double time, but I'll get into Young Thug's part in a minute. But anyway, so let's get into Gunna's verse, and I'll show you what I mean by he started off on the two. I'm the boss man with no suit and no tie. I can't be sober, I gotta stay hot. Pour me some syrup, I'm Canada dry. Riding the spaceship like Bonnie and Clyde. Don't worry, baby, I keep me some fire. Ain't they zip? This is the snare right here. So I'm gonna. See, I'm not hitting that boom. I'm skipping it and I'm starting on the next drum. Another thing about Gunna is he uses the same flow throughout the whole verse. He doesn't switch it up. He just runs. He finds a rhyme scheme and he runs through it. So no, and now he also uses the same technique that he used in the hook, as in he used double time, but he didn't use the internal rhyme because he wanted to add some variation to it. That's why you no. It ain't the idiot no idiot no. So that's Gunna's part. Number three, Okay, so one side note is Young Thug is a master songcrafter, master songwriter, and it's evident in this song because the simple fact he had the audacity to throw an interlude in the middle of the fucking song. Any regular rapper would just be like, okay, hook here, verse here, hook here, verse here. Young Thug said, nah, let's hook, verse, hook, interlude, I'll come in my verse and let's end it. You know what I'm saying? And that's just one thing to keep in mind, man. Come at it with different ways. Don't always be stuck to the same formula or people are gonna figure you out, man. So let's get into it. I'm not gonna go too much into the interlude part, but I'll go into the verse. Young Thug goes from single time to double time, and that's really the most important thing about his verse. That's why his flow seems so fucking outstanding, because he switches it up, and I'm gonna show you how he goes from single time to double time. Money, cash, money. He's even starting off on a one on this. I took the Billy coupe back, then I hopped in the Cayenne. I put that bitch in the Billy in front of the drive, yeah. Okay, he's in single time because he's not. He's I took the Billy coupe back and I hop in the Cayenne. Because he's just one thought in each line, you know what I'm saying? Versus Gunna, where it's litty and it's you get me? Okay, so he stays with the single time when he goes, I'm in the coupe by myself. I had to kick it though when I was 5. And basically how he switched the flow up was he kind of started right at the end of the 4th line and then he added a pause. And that's how he kind of went through the that section. I'm in the coupe by myself. I had to kick it though when I was 5. And that's another thing, guys. Use space. That's why Young Thug is so great, because he has this shit down to a T. He can manipulate space and time with his flow. So let's get into how he got into the double time, and then I'll wrap this video. Acting like they the ones created this and they get all the drip from my guys. Yeah. Cartier, Cartier, watch Cartier at the thigh. Cartier step up below on the side. He's starting off on the 2. And you notice how he said Cartier, That's how Young Gunna started off his verse with Cartier, That's how he was able to get his flow off on the 2. He dropped that there and then he started off on the 2. And if you pay attention, when I do this, that's when the 2 hits. When I do this, that's when the 1 hits. So, and that's pretty much it, man. These guys are masters of flow. They know how to switch their flow. They know how to manipulate it. So really what I want you guys to take from this beat is to know how to manipulate your flows and how to start on different parts in order to create different sections for songs. That is songwriting in a nutshell. You know what I'm saying? The way Thug, he's like, okay, we got the hook, and the hook is starting off at this point, and I'm gonna drop the interlude right here, and I'm gonna take the drums out. This is really advanced songwriting, guys. And that's pretty much it, man. I'll holler at y'all later, man. Be on the lookout for more shit. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're watching my shit, you're not subscribing, you's a bitch. Peace!